In this workshop, innovation meets craftsmanship. Today, we explore how an old engine block can be dismantled and repurposed to create a functional disc brake. The journey begins with an old engine block. Our skilled mechanics inspect it to ensure it's suitable for repurposing. The engine is carefully dismantled. Each component is removed with precision, salvaging parts that can be repurposed. From the dismantled engine, specific parts are selected for the disc brake. These pieces are marked and prepared for reshaping. The selected parts are then cut and shaped. Precision cutting tools and lathes transform these engine components into the basic forms needed for a disc brake. With the parts prepared, assembly begins. The reshaped pieces are carefully fitted together, forming the rotor, caliper and other critical components of the disc brake. Assembly requires precision. Every component must align perfectly to ensure Once assembled, the disc brake undergoes rigorous testing. Strength and functionality are evaluated to ensure it meets safety and performance. The final step is installation. The new disc brake is fitted onto a vehicle, ready to provide reliable stopping power. From an old engine block to a vital safety component, this transformation showcases ingenuity and skilled craftsmanship. Thank you all for tuning in today. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.